how to fix Zoom cannot sign in. So to fix sign-in issues on the Zoom mobile app, the first thing what you can do is check for the updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Zoom Workplace app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is on your iOS device, go to settings, now tap general, now tap iPhone storage, now scroll down and then find the Zoom app, or just tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for Zoom. Now tap upload app. Now to confirm, tap upload app one more time. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it or just go to your app store, find the Zoom app and then reinstall it from there. Now the next thing what you can do is check the network. Just scroll down the control center from the top of your screen, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn off any active VPNs that might block the login server. If your credentials fail or your account is temporarily locked after too many tries, you can use the forgot password option on the Zoom web portal. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.